So this comment caught my attention and sabi niya, nanghihingi daw siya ng tips. Okay, so let me read the conversation. Sabi niya, is ilang beses na daw siyang umulit sa assessment ng concentrics, lalo na daw yung hearing test. And merong nag-comment, nagbigay ng technique. Sabi niya, is ang technique lang po dyan is magbigay ka lang ng ibang English words basta naiintindihan like lyrics ng kanta, pero parang sasabihin mo lang. Pero hindi mo like kantahin talaga. Effective naman daw kasi previous employee daw siya ng concentrics. Nakapasok na ako sa 10 BPO employees and currently work from home. And na-amaze pa siya like, wow, for real? But ngayon ko lang nalaman daw to. So thank you for this. Itatry niya daw if ever maka-off board siya. So super nahirapan daw talaga siya sa hearing test dyan. And lagi daw siya nag-hang. Okay, since you wanted tips from me, okay, and that's true. And halata namang tenured tong nag-comment kasi sa comment pa lang, waste na. Okay? And then, waste na, it's either mapapahamak ka or pwede mo din gawin tapos makakalusot ka if malakas yung malakas yung guardian angel mo. But here is my tips, like a genuine tip from an ate. Okay? Kasi I want to give like a good example sa inyo kasi alam ko namang hindi naman ako perfect pero ayoko namang sundin nyo yung mga waste na ginagawa ng mga tenured agents. Okay? Na I'm not generalizing na lahat ng tenure agents is like makupal, hindi. Kahit naman din ako, meron din naman akong mga waste pero as a newbie, kapag nag-a-apply ka kasi ng job application, papahirapan ka talaga. Okay? That's the reality when it comes to applying any kind of jobs. Papahirapan ka muna before mo makuha yung goal mo na job offer, trabaho, ganun. Kasi that's your level 1. If mapasa mo yung level 1 with integrity and honesty, kayang-kaya mo nang mapunta sa level 100. Okay? Bakit ba? Bakit kailangan ba yung hearing test na mapasa? Kasi, kapag napunta ka na sa training, sa nesting, or sa, sa production floor, dun mo marirealize na, ay, tama pala yung sinabi ni Ate Claire. Sana, I just acknowledge my weakness when it comes to hearing test and sana in-improve ko lang. Kasi totoo nga pala, iba-iba pala talaga yung customer na makakausap ko and iba-iba yung accent. And ang hirap intindihin. Yung water, like, can you, ano daw sabi niya? Kasi tayong mga Pinoy is, yung English kasi natin is klaro. Sa kanila kasi ang slang. Okay? And yun yung parang hinuhubog ka na sa job application pa lang kung gaano ba tindig yung tenga mo pagdating sa mga words ng AI. AI kasi yan, guys. Na ni-record lang. Tapos kailangan mong i-repeat. Tapos kinode lang nila. Tapos pag nasabi mo yung word na to, ganito. And then, narinig ko na din yun kay Kuya Rani Boy para mapasa mo yung hearing test, makuha mo yung job offer and everything like that is umanta ka lang daw talaga pero sasabihin mo lang yung lyrics. Hindi mo talaga kakantahin na may tono talaga. And it really works. Okay? Kasi AI lang naman yan. Pero ito kasi, tawag dito, yung natutunan ko as a 10 months BPO agent, integrity in the BPO industry is really a must. Clients hate it kapag nagmi-misinformation ka. Clients hate it na ang dali-dali lang talaga ng sinabi namin. Meron ka pa dyang knowledge base, bakit hindi mo magawang sundin? Ano bang mahirap na sundin mo lang? We don't care if magagalit si customer, if you're gonna hurt them with the truth. Kaysa naman mag-lie ka and then mag-misinformation. Yan. Kasi yung ginagawa mo, like if ever susundin mo yan, pero nagmi-misinfo ka sa AI, parang minamanipula mo yung journey mo para mapasa mo lang yung job offer. Yung parang, yung katagang, the end does not justify the meaning. Oo, nakuha mo nga yung job offer pero nang daya ka naman. Like, oo, nakapagpirma ka ng kontrata pero dinaya mo. Unlike sa iba na like, high and proud sila na napasa ko ng tama. Na wala akong ginawang anomalya and proud ako na napasa ko siya without faking anything. I don't understand marami nagsasabi, fake it until you make it. Yes, you can fake it na you're gonna show to the interviewers na hindi ka kinakabahan. Kahit kinakabahan ka naman talaga, pinagpapawisan ka na and everything like that, like anxiety, maraming what if sa utak mo. You can fake that one, but you cannot fake your attitude. Okay? Behavior is very, very hard to tame. Okay? To be honest, yung mga recruitment staff, mga TL, yung mga clients, they don't freaking care if you are the smartest, summa cum laude, magna cum laude, experiencado ka ng tao or anything like that, kung pangit naman ang ugali mo, wala kang patutunguhan sa mundo. Okay? Yan yung natutunan ko sa professor ko talaga, sabi niya, intelligence and skills will bring you to success, but it will always be your attitude that will keep you there. Alam natin yung mga Pinoy, di ba? Maraming mga matatalino sa government natin, di ba? BPO has also politics, guys. Malalaman nyo din yan, dun mo marirealize na yung mga taong mababait pa, sila pa yung parang napapatasik, pero they walk out with integrity, high and proud. Pag na PLO sila or na lipat sila ng ibang company, magugulat na lang talaga yung wave mates na, magugulat na lang talaga yung TL nila. Hala, nalipat siya, ang laki ng offer, tapos meron na siyang financial freedom. Masansan, tapos kami andito pa din. Kasi you have your own good karma. Tapos yung karma nila, like, it's so bad. And that's my tip for you as an ate. Okay, you can do that one. It's your decision if you're gonna do it, if you're gonna be caught off guard. But for me, it's better to accept your weakness, enhance it, kasi mas mamumold ka as a better person. Is no one can use that against you. Kasi nahoon mo na natanggap mo na okay, meron akong difficulty when it comes to hearing test or active listening, so I need to improve it. Para in case kung saan man akong i-test man ako ng buhay, is kaya ko na makipagsabayan sa hirap or sa unos, kasi tanggap ko, nagawan ko na siya ng paraan, and may technique na ko on how can I improve that weakness, and I'm gonna use that weakness to leverage and be a better person and to upskill my previous skill. Okay? Ganun talaga, you need to unlearn, relearn, and learn new things. Ganun talaga. So, nasa sa iyo yan. If you're gonna do that tip, na hindi ka makukonsensya or feeling mo proud ka kasi you made it, pero nang daya ka naman. Kasi if kaya mo mandaya on smaller things, kaya mo din mandaya on bigger things. Okay? So, that's your choice. You can either go to the road not taken or go to the road na kadalasang ginagawa ng ibang tao. So, choose your path. Okay? And if you wanted to watch more videos like this, then just follow for more videos. So, kita-kits on the next video. Bye for now.